everyone. Today our lesson is going to be focusing on the prefix over. And we know that a prefix comes at the beginning of the word, and the purpose of a prefix or even a suffix is to change the meaning of the word. The meaning for the word prefix over can mean either above or beyond. So we're going to take a look at 3 different sentences today. We're going to see if first that we can identify the word that has the prefix over in it, and then we're going to see if we can identify the meaning of that word. So let's get started. You can see here I have our focus is the prefix over. The meaning for over means either above or beyond. So let's take a look at sentence 1. My hat fell overboard into the ocean. I'll give you a second to see if you can find the word that has the prefix in it. Hopefully you are able to identify the word overboard. Over is our prefix, and board is our base word or our root word. So if we go back to the meaning above or beyond, and we think about overboard, and we think about the clues in our sentence, my hat fell overboard into the ocean. So you're thinking maybe you're on a boat or a ship somewhere, and overboard might mean beyond the board that you were on, beyond the boat. So if it fell overboard, we are thinking that that is not on the boat any longer, that it perhaps is in the water somewhere. So over in this sentence means beyond the board. Let's take a look at sentence 2. I had to pay a fine because my library book was overdue. I'll give you a second to see if you can find our word with the prefix in it. Hopefully you are able to identify overdue as our word. Over, again, is going to be our prefix, and our root word or base word is the word due. So when we're thinking about what overdue might mean, well, you had to pay a fine, could be a clue, and the library book was overdue. So we're thinking something that is due means that it has a specific time that you have to turn it in by, or an assignment you have to turn it in on that certain day. And if it is overdue, it is beyond that time that they gave you to turn it in. So something that is overdue is beyond being due. Last sentence. If you fill a tub with too much water, it will overflow. I'll give you a second to find the word. Hopefully you identified overflow. Again, over is going to be our prefix. Flow is going to be the root word or the base word in this sentence. So when we think about this, fill a tub with water, too much could be clues here. So we're thinking about a bathtub, and we're thinking about it overflowing. If water is going to overflow, that means it is beyond or possibly even above where it needs to be. So if we think about overflow in this sentence, overflowing would mean that the water is starting to come out. It's starting to come out over the tub, okay? You're gonna practice more with the prefix over, doing a seesaw activity this week. Let your teachers know if you have any questions moving forward. Thank you.